Now we will work with Copilot Studio. I will click on create and then I will click on new Copilot. It will take few seconds to load the page. Now I will click on skip to configure. Here I will give the name as real estate booking service. I will give the description as create bookings for real estate properties. In the instruction, I will write create a Copilot for topics relating to creating bookings for real estate properties. You can see the language is English. I will click on this three dot and then I will click on edit advanced settings. And here I will choose the solution as bookings. Solution has been selected as bookings. Then I will click on save. Now I will click on create. Now here I will type how do I make a booking. Here you can see that we have got a response here. Now we will configure the security. I will click on settings, then go to security, then go to authentication, and from here I will choose no authentication, click on save, and again click on save, and then click on real estate booking service, and OV tab is selected here. Now we will learn how to remove the topics. I will click on topics. So here you can see that these are sample topics. If you want to remove, you can click on this three dot and then click on delete. These topics will be removed. To disable a system topic, you can just toggle this button and system topics will be disabled. Now if you want to test your Copilot on the website, you can click on this three dot and then you can click on go to website. And from here you can choose demo website. Now in the welcome message, you can type what information is needed to book a viewing for a real estate property. And then click on save. So now I will click on publish. And again I will click on publish. After that, you can close this window. In some time, your Copilot bot will be published. Now your Copilot bot has been published. I will click on three dots and then click on go to demo website. Here you can see the name of the Copilot, which is real estate booking service. This is your welcome message. And now here you can interact with your bot saying that how do I make property booking. Your Copilot has responded. Here you can see the response from the bot. This is how you can build a bot using Copilot Studio in Microsoft Copilot. If you like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, please post it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.